In yesterday's session, we completed with transformation rules, that is pre and post is there. And also, we are trying to, we created a salesperson, but we are trying to attach the salesperson to the reference data set. Syed, I received your email.
Good morning.
Yeah, I received your email. Yeah. I don't know what is the difference between one instance to another instance. Some instances it will directly display the reference data set from the drop down, but in some instances it won't.
No, it was not displaying. Even I did the same thing what you did there, getting the link from the Oracle and follow the steps, right?
Again, problem with your voice, sir.
I did the same thing what you did, the link of
So you
Oracle.
created custom role. That's what you are saying. Then you
Yes,
are
yes.
able to see it.
Yes, true.
Okay. So what we did, to display the reference data set, we created a custom role, right? So how we created custom role? We copied the existing role and we add a new privilege. And also we added a new data security policy as well. I'm navigating to main is resources. And resource name. Yeah, 53 salesperson. Under the salesperson from the drop down. Yeah, I think it took time. Yesterday, it was not displaying the list in the drop down. Okay, it took time. Maybe log out and log in also might have worked. Okay. Understood, team? Now we have to attach this salesperson to the reference data set. Basically, common, as I mentioned, it will not, whatever the other commons you see, that is not the normal seeded common. It's created by the students. So here you are able to see the enterprise. So select the enterprise here. Select the enterprise. Okay, I'm assigning the salesperson to this reference data set and enter the salesperson number. I'm entering the randomly some salesperson number here and click on save and close. Sales credit type, enter some number. Sales credit type also. Save and close. You understood, right? What we need to do to display the reference data set from the drop down. Hope you understood that step correct. Yesterday I covered team. I'm navigating to auto management. And again, auto management. Click on create order. Salesperson. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the salesperson setup. First, you create a salesperson and later attach the salesperson to the reference data set. Okay. Now we are done with the salesperson creation, right? Now, once you create all the salespersons, what you do is you again revert back that configuration. That configuration in the sense at the enterprise level, we restricted user creation along with the employee. We restricted the user creation, right? So you again set it back to the user creation. Otherwise, If somebody does not aware of this setup, they get panic because if they don't see the user creation is not happening along with the business user. I think already somebody set this setup back to the user creation. Correct? Okay.
Yes,
I think,
Krishna.
yeah. So make sure after you practice, you roll back to the original place. Okay, so I'm done from here to here. Pre and post and salesperson. This is completely related to salesperson till here. And next thing is about the lookups. Since I'm in the sales orders screen itself, I'll show you the lookups part also. I want to apply a discount here. Okay, if you want to apply a discount, you see the reason right here. Okay, these reasons are coming from a lookup. Okay, I'll suppose Black Friday sale, Independence Day sale, or year-end sale, or new product launch sale. Okay, so this drop down we can configure by going into this lookup, adjustment reasons. So the navigation is you have to go to manage standard lookups. Manage standard lookups. And lookup name I have provided here. This is the lookup name, or you can search in the meaning also. Lookup reason, the discount reason. This is basically the discount reason, right? Discount reason. You know, with the reason, lot of lookups are there. It belongs to which module? Pricing. Is there anything called pricing, administration, and search? No. But since I've given the lookup directly here, we'll search with the lookup name itself. We'll search with the lookup name itself. Okay. So the module is manage orders is a module. We selected pricing here, but it's a manage orders. And here you will see the drop down, right? Black Friday sale, year-end sale. Okay. And if you want, you can add the lookup here. The position to display this position to display in the sense from this drop down, the value want to display in the first position or in the last position or in the middle. Okay, I would like to display in the last position. Understood, team?
Yes, sir.
Because whatever the reason that you are selecting, that reason is printed in the invoice. Later we generate invoice, right? Okay, in the invoice, I have explained this, but again, I'm covering. In the invoice, it will display item. Against that item, it will display the original price. It will display the original price, and in the second line, it will display the discount and whatever the region that you selected here, that will be printed in the invoice. New product sale. Okay. Because of that, we provided a discount. Okay. And it will display like this. Understood? It will display like this. Whatever the reason that you added here, that is printed in the invoice, that's why the reason should be appropriate. Okay, because this invoice you'll send to the customer, correct?
Yes, Krishna.
And next setup, it's related to hold functionality. Before I get into holds, I'll talk about generic hold. When the credit hold applied, when the customer is crossed the limit, when the customer crossed his limit, then credit hold is automatically applied to the sales order. But normal holds also we can apply. Normal holds in the sense, you want to keep the sales order on hold. So if you go to holds and if you click on apply, you'll see some predefined holds here. Nothing is available. Currently, nothing is available. Okay. I'll show you how to configure. Suppose, you want to keep this order on hold because you are waiting to receive these shipping instructions from the customer. You don't have a proper shipping instructions from the customer. That's why you want to keep this order on hold. Or maybe due to in the COVID time, we have containment zone, right? In the containment zone, the delivery is not possible. So you can keep this order in hold because of the containment zone. Okay, or for some other issues also you can keep, or maybe customer asked you to keep the sales order on hold. So we can apply hold here and we can release the hold from here. You can apply a hold at header level. You can apply the hold at line level also. Nothing but a specific line you can put on hold. Okay. How to configure the holds, I'll show you. There is a setup called manage hold codes. Manage hold codes. Okay. So here, some holes are already there. Let me add a new hole here. Okay, so and attach this to the reference data set. I'm going to attach to my reference data set. Okay. And because of this hold, which service you want to keep on hold? I would like to keep, shipping step on hold. It is displaying actually few orchestration steps only. It is not displaying the shipping related step here. If you enable, hold all services, it will hold everything related to any step, it will block, it will hold. If you want a specific step to be hold, nothing but a shipping step or any specific step, you can actually select that. But in this application, the shipping step is not visible. I'm sure it's application problem only. Just assume this is a shipping step, okay? Just assume this is stepping. This is application problem only, okay? Now what we are doing, if you apply this hold to the sales order, this particular step we are restricting. This particular service should be blocked, should kept on hold, and this particular hold is available to which roles? Only order entry specialist role person should be able to utilize this hold. And who can release it? Who can release it? Only order manager can release it. You can configure like this. Understood, team? This hold can be applied by whom? This hold can be released by whom? Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is creating a normal holds. After the hold got created, you can apply that hold to your sales order. Let me reopen this page. Hold code should control it common, right? But we assigned our hold to our reference data set, correct? While creating the hold, we assigned that hold to our reference data set, okay? That's why I'm changing here.
Sir, we given here services purchase order, right?
Anything is okay, sir.
Okay.
The whole should be split. Suppose let me enable all services. Yeah, enabling all, not specific service. This is not behaving properly, seems. And that's my doubt. Okay. Let me try again. I can't see it. It's not working, but let's set up in this application. I mean, why, instance behaves like this? Because, we create a lot of data and it takes a lot of times. That's why sometimes it get into, inconsistent state. It behaves differently. No, I don't have that. It is very good. Okay, I'm planning to use demo instance. I landed into the demo instance. We'll try this topic in demo, okay? Let me configure the setup in the demo instance, okay? Main is hold course. Okay, and if you see this checkbox, this is predefined. Okay, that's nothing but given the Oracle, it's predefined. And we are planning to create our own. Okay, and I am selecting common itself. And here in our application, it's not displaying all the services, right? మనం రాసుకుని ఇది పట్టుకున్న వచ్చేయట్లేదు వచ్చేలా చెప్పిస్తాను. In every setup, we are facing something or the other problem. Huh?
Since yesterday.
Since Thursday, I think. With the back-to-back cycle it started. So one thing I'll use some other browser. Maybe that browser is not working properly for that screen. Yeah, 3 to 4 classes I can finish order management. 3 to 4 hours, that's it. You'll see here all the services are displaying here, okay? Now I would like to only stop the shipment. Shipment I want to stop. Okay, or you want, you can select invoicing, or I would like to select only the shipment. I would like to shop shipment. And applicable rules, that's okay. I mean, I'm selecting all the rules itself, let it be. This is a role just be created. I click on 7. Order management and order management. Okay. Understood, team?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in the test instance, it's not working properly. Okay. So that's application overview. If you want, you can click on the release button. After applying, once you want to release it, you can click on the release button. This is normal rules. What about credit hold? What about credit hold, team? The credit hold is automatically verified after you submit the sales order. When you where we provide the credit limit to the customer, in which setup we provide credit limit to the customer?
Customer profiles.
Yeah, in the customer profile, we provide the credit limit, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what we do, customer profile class,
Profile
there
class.
let's take there we provided 50,000 credit limit. And this profile class, we add to the customer. Suppose let us take this profile class name, we configure like high risk. High risk. And to customer ABC, we attached this profile class. We assign this profile class to customer ABC and customer XYZ also. We attached same profile class. That means both these customers are having how much credit limit? 50,000, correct? So if you create a sales order, for 51,000 for this customer, either ABC or XYZ,
Get hold.
it automatically goes to the hold. Okay. And I'm creating a sales order for 30,000. Then
That's approved.
hmm,
Auto approve.
then will it goes to hold?
No, sir.
I created a sales order for 30,000, and after that I created one more sales order for 25,000. Then
No, sir.
Second one will hold.
somebody said no. So here already, the customer has placed a 30,000 order with us. Next order is 25,000. Totally how much? 55,000. So this order goes to the hold. That means it will calculate open sales orders. It will also calculate outstanding payments also. It will consider outstanding sales orders and outstanding payments also. Clear? The moment you click on the submit button, system will verify the outstanding sales orders and outstanding payments also. What is the outstanding payment from this customer and outstanding sales orders? Okay. And I covered these setups. I hope you remember. In the order management parameters, when you go to order management parameters, credit hold related, we have a couple of options here. One is do you want it to the credit check to be verified after every order submission? You can select your BU, and if you want, you can select yes, or if you want, you can select no. That means you want credit check to be verified or not. You select yes, that means you are using credit check functionality, correct? Okay, so you enable the credit check. Customer is not having the credit limit. Then what you want to do with that order? You want to keep that order on hold? Or you want to keep the order in draft status? No, I don't want to keep in draft status. I would like to keep that order on credit hold. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is related to credit check functionality. Okay, you can try this functionality. It's simple only. So this is about credit limit. These three. Next configuration, notification, stakeholder notification. This notifications is nothing but if the sales order is cancelled, if the sales order is updated, and if the sales order goes on hold, you want system to send a notification automatically to the customer. System is going to trigger a notification to the customer. Suppose you have keep that sales order on hold. In that case, send an email notification to the customer. Sales order is closed. Okay, sales order got updated. sales order got updated. You want to send a notification to the customer. So, and you split a line, you split a line and you want to send a notification to the customer automatically from the application. Okay. So if you keep the sales order on hold and if you split the sales order and if you cancel the sales order, if you update the sales order, if you keep the sales order on hold, you want the notifications to be sent to the customer. In that case, you can use the screen. But normally 95% of the clients, they won't prefer a system to send a notification to the customer. They won't prefer 95% of the clients. They would like to inform their customer from their email, not from the system. That's why generally in real time, 95% of the clients, they don't prefer to use this feature at all. That's why you disable this feature in the application. If you don't disable, what will happen the moment you update the sales order, the moment you split the sales order, customer is getting the notifications from the application. It happened with me during the implementation. I'm not aware of this configuration. A customer called to the client and that customer informed to the client saying that, hey, I received just of a notification. I think that notification from your company, I'm forwarding that notification. Can you please check? Then client has forwarded that notification to me. Then I realized that because of this configuration, the customer is receiving the notifications. Okay. Then client said, no, we don't want any automatic alerts to be sent from the application to the customer. Please disable this setting. Then I disabled it. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, after, we are generating the sales order here in the PDF document, right? In the PDF document. So where is the path? Okay, I'll show you the path now. I'm navigating to BI screen. So go to, supply chain folder, supply chain management. Under that, go to order management. Under that, go to sales orders. Under that, the sales order report. The sales order converted into PDF based on this RTF template. There are two layouts are there currently here. If you click on view list, you can see currently which layout is enabled. Two layouts are there. Which layout is enabled currently? Sales order report redwood layout. This layout is currently enabled because you see the checkbox here. So, if you want to perform customizations in this template, okay, who will do the customization? Your technical guy. Okay. So here customer name is printed, customer address, and the product, and the quantity, unit of measure, price, amount. Okay. Okay, so this layout has to be developed by the technical consultant. Okay. Understood, team?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, this is, to download the sales order into PDF copy. And we can also email, right? You have an option to send an email from here. If you click on send an email, what should be the email body? What should be the email body? Generally, when you send an email to the customer, in the email body, we want to keep our contact details also, right? Your company logo, and in case of any questions, please revert to so-and-so number, so-and-so email ID. We would like to keep that information in the body, correct? Thanks for your order with us. So that can be configured under this sales order email. So this is nothing but, implementation. I'm not just covering the setups, I'm covering everything, correct? I'm covering everything. During the implementation, all these things we need to be taken care. So in this layout, the sales order email body, you can see. So right now, this is the body, okay? Order number, okay, your company name, your company phone number. But in this body, we definitely need to add thanks for your order with us. Okay, so this is your order number. Please find attached sales order document and our customer service number, email ID. Or you want to send some more instructions also, your product warranty is valid for 1 year or 2 years. Okay, this is your nearest service location, correct? So definitely, we utilize this sales order email body for multi-purpose, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is about these 3 topics, okay? So tomorrow, we can finish with the rest of the topics tomorrow. We can finish with the rest of the topics, and in the order management, we have issue with the back-to-back cycle, right? Once I finish that, then we can finish the order management. There is a flow called a transfer order. So transfer order, I will give you the video for the transfer order cycle. Okay, you please practice transfer order on your own. So next 2 classes, we can finish order management. To drive with the transfer order flow, you should have costing setups available in the application. Okay, this is the video. Transfer order video. Okay, team?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So transfer order you try, but to try with the transfer order, you should have the costing setups. The item that you are trying with, that item should have a cost. Then only you are able to try the transfer order flow. Okay. So tomorrow I'll finish these topics, and day after tomorrow I'll finish back-to-back cycle. And so that we can close order management next 2 days. Anyone tried with the back-to-back cycle in EHQZ instance? Is it working for you?
No, sir, it's not working.
It's not working. Okay. What's the error that you are getting? What's the error that you are getting in EHQZ instance when you try with the back-to-back flow?
Sir, I am trying before 3 days back.
You
Not
don't
sure.
remember.
Yes, sir.
Okay, send me the error that you are getting. Team, can you
Okay.
please try the back-to-back cycle in HQZ instance and let me know? Navina? Navina, you're not there? Girish, is it working? The sales order?
Yes, sir. As per your instruction, I just followed that and now it is scheduled in
What is the
7.
issue, sir?
So the rest
What
of
is
the
it?
things.
Issue in the calendar or?
No, sir, I didn't change the calendar, but as you told, I created a new item and did all the setups and run the requests.
Okay.
So I need to still analyze what was the issue with the orders.
It's okay, sir. So, you know, it's because of the application only, because sometimes, you know, in this instance, a lot of students are practicing. Lot of times they are running collections and running OPS, you know, it's because of that application behaves sometimes, you know, differently. Even though everything is working fine, it will throw error.
Yeah,
Hmm.
thank you, sir.
Can you try the back-to-back flow in HQZ instance today?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'll try
Try
to.
and let me know if it is working there or not. If it is working there, I'll explain from that instance.
Okay.
Any practice doubts, team? I think last week, you know, you got some enough time for practice, I believe, because I have not taken 4 classes last week. I think Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 classes I have not taken, right?
Yes, sir.
Have a doubt, sir.
Madam, good.
No question actually. So, when I was creating a sales order, so everything is created, sir. So after that, the item status is not started. So it's supposed to be scheduled, right?
Yes,
The
correct.
orchestration process is failed error it shows.
Mhm.
So
What is that error?
Orchestration process failed, sir.
Okay.
So orchestration is called automatically, right?
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
Orchestration should be called automatically. Did you email me the error screenshots?
Yeah, actually, I sent my practice status today. In that
Okay.
I put screenshot and error also. You can go last, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Last piece.
Which instance you are using, madam?
EHQZ, test instance.
Okay. You're highlighting the first error. The first error always generic. The second error you should refer. Okay. The second error, it will give us some meaningful information.
You can come down, sir. Second error only I put here.
No, this is not second error. No. This is first error, madam.
Should I send second error in message, sir? No.
What's your login, madam? What's your
Otherwise, I will
login?
give my order number, sir. You can open that.
I'm able to open your order number from your login only, madam.
Yeah. I will give you.
I want your login.
Krish.cags, yeah. KRISH dot.
Can you please send me a message in the chat?
Okay, sure.
Team, others are having any questions? If you don't have any questions, others can drop off.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Girish, can you please stay back? Yeah, tell me something.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in the pricing strategy, like we have taken end customer pricing strategy, like right, and in the pricing strategy, we are assigning discount lists also, right? So, can we assign more than one discount list, like more like flat discount, tire-based discount, to the one pricing strategy, to the end customer pricing strategy only?
Yeah.
Or
Yes, madam. In the discount list itself, okay, you are attaching the discount list to the pricing strategy, right?
yes.
In the discount list itself, you can configure all the three.
All the three, and like my doubt is we can attach these three to the pricing strategy, the same end customer, right?
No. In one discount list itself, you can configure three.
Yes. Okay.
One discount list only. In one discount list itself, you can configure all the three, and that discount list you attach to the pricing strategy. Okay. Or else, if you want to configure three separate discount lists, yes, you can configure three separate discount lists.
Okay.
And all the three separate discount lists you can add to the pricing strategy.
Okay.
Either way is possible.
Okay.
Any more doubts? I think Girish, she might be also getting the similar error that you faced.
Okay.
We'll see. Very good, madam. You are practicing, each and everything I see from your document. That's excellent. I appreciate your efforts. Now, if you practice a lot, your interest levels also is going to increase. But if you don't practice, it's very tough. Same issue. Same
Yes, sir.
issue.
But it
Girish?
worked for me, sir. Like how
Yeah.
you told to create a new item.
Yeah, can you please help her, Girish?
Yeah, sure.
Can you please help
Can
her? Yeah.
who is the, like, I didn't get her name.
Srivani. Madam, are you there?
Yes. So, Girish, how can
Yeah.
I connect to you?
Yeah. So you send me a mail, like or you can take my number. I will just add my number in the direct chat to you. 1 second.
Girish, what's your email ID?
It is Girish. I have sent you today, right? Okay. It is GIRISH. GIRISH. GIRISH.
Yeah.
B for Bangalore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm forwarding her details to you.
Yes, sir.
Girish, at what time are you available, Girish? So, evening, for you, night or evening?
Evening, I think that is better. You send me a text you with your number. I will call you back and we can connect.
Actually, now I am at a 12
You are
o'clock,
available.
right? Yeah. And
Okay,
I am
fine. We can
from,
connect.
12 p.m. So for your evening, I'm available. For me, morning, right, at that time.
Okay. So what time you are comfortable?
So for you, evening after 5 o'clock, anytime, so I will call you. So please give me
Yes,
message.
it is okay for me.
After 5 for your
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Send me a text email
Yeah.
with your number so that we can connect. So I think you are from India only, right?
No,
Or,
no, I am in US.
okay, okay. Yeah, you send me an invite also. That is also okay.
Okay.
At 5 o'clock, then we will connect.
Thank you, Girish. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
bye.
You are not there in yesterday's session, even? Sriveni,
Yeah.
you're
Tell
not
me,
there
sir.
in yesterday's session?
No, actually, since
See,
starting
the same
yesterday
issue.
only, I was absent.
Okay. You can refer to yesterday video also, we troubleshooted the same issue for 30 minutes, more than that even.
Oh, okay. Then I will check
Hmm.
morning, sir.
Yeah, you can check that, and if you want, you can try on your own, or else you can contact Girish.
Okay. So, Girish, can you give your number, please?
Yeah, it is. You can take it down. 9980.
1 minute. I will note it down. Double 9 8